Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm showing you guys how to achieve a 5-minute everyday makeup look. So first off, I'm going to conceal my under eyes using the True Match L'Oreal Corrector Concealer in the shade Light Medium. And then I'm going to blend that out with a beauty blender. And I already filled in my eyebrows, which I have a tutorial on. To set my under eyes, I'm using the L'Oreal Hydra Perfect Translucent Powder. Since this is an everyday makeup look, I'm just going to put some over my eyes too because we're not going to do any eyeshadow. It helps to prevent oily eyelids. To bronze up my face a little, I'm using the Tarte Cosmetics Park Ave Princess Waterproof Bronzer. And I'm just going to put that on my cheekbones, my nose, and my forehead as well. To highlight, I'm using my favorite highlighter from Dose of Colors, the Desi X Katie collection in the shade Fuego. Putting it on all the high points of my face, my nose, the bridge of my nose, Cupid's bow, inner corner. Gonna curl my eyelashes and then just put some mascara on from Maybelline. To finish off the look, I usually just put some Vaseline on my lips or just some lip gloss. And this is the end of this quick 5-minute everyday makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video.